Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing and modern PowerPoint template design. This is our unique style. So please be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel before we start our video. So first of all, what you're gonna do is open up a blank slide, then you're gonna go to Insert tab, and you're gonna insert a text box in which you're gonna write a capital S. You're gonna go to Home tab and increase the size of this S alphabet. And there you go. This is how it looks. Next, you're gonna go to Insert tab, Shapes, and you're gonna insert a rectangle, this thick and this wide. You're gonna select first the rectangle. No, first you're gonna select the alphabet, and then you're gonna select the rectangle. Then you're gonna merge them and click on fragment option. Next, you're gonna remove this rectangle and you're gonna only keep this as alphabet. You're gonna go to shape format and change this color and remove its outline because it's not a shape, so we can increase its size somewhere from right here. We're gonna duplicate it and place that duplicated S next to the first S. We're gonna duplicate it again, and we're gonna place them next to each other. And the next thing we're gonna do is select all of the S alphabets, and we're gonna go to shape. Let's first of all increase their size and width, and then what we're gonna do next is adjust them. Let me just increase the size that the unwanted part of the S alphabet goes out of the template. We're gonna go to format shape, and we're gonna merge them by clicking on union. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna place it into the template right here like this. The next thing I'm gonna do is make it thinner so it doesn't cover a lot of space on the template. We're gonna go to format shape, and from here we're gonna click on picture text fill, and we're gonna uncheck this box. We're gonna go to picture format to adjust the size of the picture, and this is how it looks. Let's increase the picture size. So I want the tower to be in the picture, so this is how I adjusted it, the picture. So we're gonna move the unwanted parts out of the template, and we're gonna go to crop option again because I still want my picture to be adjusted carefully. So this is how it looks. Let's close the former background panel, and we're gonna go so I'm gonna go to previous template, and from there I'm gonna paste my text header along with the content text. You can write it by your own. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description, and it's completely for free. Now to remove the unwanted parts, we're gonna insert a rectangle. First select the S and the rectangle, then you're gonna go to merge and subtract. Again, you're gonna insert a rectangle that covers the outer part of this S alphabet. Then you're gonna select the S and then rectangle, go to merge and subtract them to remove the part of the S alphabet that is out of the template. So this is all you had to do. So I still want my picture to be adjusted because we just removed some part of it, so the picture will change its size. So be sure to change the picture size in the end because after subtracting the unwanted parts, the picture size is changed. So that was all for today in this video, and if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more amazing stuff like this. By the way, you can also check out my Patreon to get more amazing free content like this.